Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to explain how to debug after integrating Little Bear Pi devices with the Huawei IoT platform. Once you see these IDs and address information, after the flashing process, it indicates a successful integration of the Little Bear Pi devices. Next, proceed to the web interface. Once you access the web interface, you'll be able to see our devices in an online state. Click on Debug. You can send the respective commands in this interface. For example, let's open the LED light. Send a message. The command was successfully sent, and it will display the successful activation of the LED light. Finally, let's take a look at the flowchart of the code to understand the logic behind this experiment. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.